Hello everyone, welcome to Comm 140. I'm Brother Howard. It's good to visit with you for a few minutes. I wanted to go over the Icebreaker assignment just to make sure everyone's comfortable with using Threadit. It actually works really well. It's simple to use and hopefully it doesn't cause you too much of an issue. But here I am right now in the Icebreaker assignment. As you scroll down, you notice the main goal is to introduce yourself to your classmates and tell a little bit about your mass media preferences, what you like to watch for movies, TV shows. Do you surf Instagram or TikToks, whatever that happens to be. But right down here there's a link to Threadit, so go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account, it'll ask you to make one, and you need to have a Google account. And so this is what it looks like, and here's my account I've got set up, so make sure you do that. And then you're going to create a Threadit right up here, and you see down here I have some Threadits and some from our class already. So click on the blank Threadit, and it's going to bring up this pop-up window. Now, you might have some security settings on your computer that will block a pop-up, so you might need to save those or change those as you're going through this. But it's pretty easy to use here. So look it over. Here's a recording, but you also want to share your screen, and that's important because we want to see something about you, some pictures that you've created or something like that, some sort of PowerPoint or a Prezi or a Google Slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm actually going to share the same screen I'm working on. So we're going to get a little bit of that eternity look because we're going to be seen forever as you look at like this. But let me go ahead and I'll press record. And it's going to give me a little bit of a countdown as I start recording. And I'm going to move this out of the way so we don't get the eternity look. But as I'm recording, then you can see what's here on the screen. So if you've created some sort of PowerPoint or Prezi, you can go in here and tell us a little bit about yourself. So here's some pictures of me in high school. There's my family in the 70s. And anything that you prepared to talk about, there I am as a missionary, and there I am graduating from Southern Utah. And this just kind of gives you a sample. You can share some things you want to talk about. Of course, you can talk about some of your mass media preferences, what movies, TV shows you like. Do you like to go and watch cat videos on TikTok or wherever it happens to be? And of course, you can show some great pictures like this one of me and my wife on our wedding day. Anyway, once you get done, here we go back to eternity. Hit the stop button, stop recording, and then we're going to go to publish the video. So let me click on the publish video. This is really important. So this is my account right here. I am the owner, but right here it restricts it to locked to only BYU Idaho. And that doesn't always work because we log in different ways. So instead of that, click on this and we want to make it public. Anyone in the world can watch, and you click down here, can view, that's fine. So they can't edit it, but anybody can watch it, which is great. Then let's click on save. And then we need to give it a name. So make sure you give it like your name. I'm going to give this Brother Howard intro. And then looks good. Let's go ahead and publish this, and it'll take just a second, and I can copy the link here, or I can say got it right here. And let's go back to Threadit where you started from. You notice here's my new intro right here. Now what I want you to make sure and check, go ahead and open up like a new tab, and you copy that link, go ahead and paste it in and see if it works. So let's go here, and it opens up, and let's play it back and get the eternity there. But as I'm recording, then you can see what's here. Okay, looks good. So just double check, make sure, look at your video, go down here, we've got share. If you click on the share again, then it's going to pop this up, and make sure there you can see again it's public, anyone can view. So that's one of the problems we usually have is if you mark it as private, then we can't see your video. So there we go, then you're all done. So now we want to take that link and let's go back over here to the Icebreaker. And right now, oh, Sam, way to go, Sam is already in there. So I'm going to click on the reply, and I'm going to type in here Brother Howard's introduction. Intro. Just like my typing, go ahead and paste in that link. And you can go ahead, it should work by just saving it, but if you want to double check, click on this external link and you can paste it in there as well. It's a big hyperlink. If you want to make the font a little bit bigger, go ahead, doesn't matter. And then we go ahead and post that reply. And so Sam, I'm going to use him as an example. So it should work like this. When you click on the video, then it should open up. If it's blocked, people won't be able to see it. So I could click and watch Sam here and see, I'll learn all about him. Okay, I'm going to close that now. And then the goal is also to watch videos and respond to at least 3 other people. So, and you could connect to talk about where you're from or some of your media likes and dislikes, whatever it happens to be. But it's a good opportunity to get to know each other. Okay, well, that is the overview for the Icebreaker using Threadit. I hope this goes well, and I look forward to meeting all of you via Threadit on your videos. Okay, everybody have a great day.